Right, the nominees for Best Scenic Design are Chris Cumberbach, Gong Lum's Legacy. Right, Lawrence E. Moten III, Chicken and Biscuits. And the award goes to Lawrence E. Moten III, Chicken and Biscuits.
Thanks, y'all. It's an honor to be in this room with you all and to be seen and recognized. I want to thank Jalen and Douglas and Adam and Nakia and Dee Dee and Twee and the entire team on Chicken and Biscuits for just letting us play, and that cast for living in the world that I had the pleasure of creating for them. I think long and hard about this job because I want every young black person who thinks about this field and thinks about what scenic design can do and storytelling can do to be seen. So this award is for them.